The alphabet for today is K. So let us start with slant line, going from blue line upwards till the red line, coming down as back slant, just like L. Stop at the blue line, go again up on the same line, take a curve, complete the loop and come down. This will be used as a tail. Let us make it again. Slant line up, turn, come down, go up, make a curve, come down and pull a tail out. Like always, we are going to make 4 such consecutive K, trying to make them look same. So I believe all 4 of them are looking same. If you're coming down as straight line, in this case, and crossing it here, it will result into straight K. So we have seen that we were coming down as back slant. And this is the main difference wherein you can differentiate between a straight and slant K. This is giving a complete slant look, as you can see here. So you can choose the one you're more comfortable with, but all the letters have to be in the same pattern. Like all have to be either straight or either slant. Usually when we are in speed, we make this kind of K, just giving a curve here. So this has to be avoided. The K is made perfectly, but there is a knot made here. So this kind of knot has to be avoided. There is a gap between the 2 strokes. A K with this kind of stroke, pulling it inside and then giving a stroke down. Even this has to be avoided. That's all for today. To watch the videos in series, kindly like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, happy writing!